The longer B1 30-watt laser engraver is equipped with a powerful laser output that effortlessly cuts through thick materials, making it perfect for woodworking and crafting enthusiasts. With an expanded work area of 19.7 by 19.7 inches, this machine provides ample space for larger and more ambitious engraving projects. Its blazing fast speed of up to 36,000 millimeters per minute significantly boosts productivity, allowing users to complete tasks much quicker than with standard engravers. The B1 30-watt laser engraver prioritizes safety with an 8-in-1 safety system, offering features like flame detection and an emergency stop for peace of mind during operation. Enhanced precision is achieved through the Smart Air Assist, which is automatically controlled and ensures cleaner cuts without the need for manual adjustments. The inclusion of a honeycomb worktable enhances protection and delivers cleaner cuts by facilitating faster smoke evacuation and preventing material scorching.